My name is Asif Peer. I'm a group CEO of Systems. Systems is the largest technology company in Pakistan as well as global. Now we are present in 12 countries. We are the largest global system integrator out of an exporter out of Pakistan and highly focused on a couple of verticals, which is banking, financial services, a core offering, and the vertical that we are very deep with Temenos and other tools and technologies that we bring to the banks. Other is telco and public sector that we are very highly focused and deliver the value to our customers. So we're highly innovative, customer-centric, and deliver value to customers.
My name is Ammara Masood. I'm heading the banking and financial services verticals for Systems. I have been in this space for more than 30 years now and have been working with Temenos for the last 24 years and leading this relationship with them.
Country model bank is a great concept that Temenos has come up with because every country is different. All the banking regulations, integrations with different entities is different and every country is unique. Temenos platform is for the global needs for the banking, as we know, banking for everyone. So this country model bank in the 12 countries, why we invested with Temenos and gotten that right, to develop, because ongoing changes, regulators, integrations, things change. So somebody needs to keep it updated. So when you go for an upgrade or you go for the new implementation, there is an edge over the competitors. If there is say for example, if there is a new bank comes in and they want to replace their old core banking, there is competition. We say to go with the Temenos hand in and say that this is out of box. We will just localize your custom needs. Regulator, you don't have to worry about it. Core banking platform is already great from a Temenos, so you will be up and running without any hurdle in the shortest possible time, and you don't have to go with the difficulty of understanding the regulatory framework of the country. It is already pre-configured, out-of-box, plug-and-play. So this is a great advantage for all the customers, and we're really proud that Temenos has selected us, and we have selected these 12 countries which are strategic to us, where we have a strong foothold in APAC and Middle East both.
I think we have always been in the transformation business, and this is the new thing in transformation, where we are seeing a lot of the banks are now trying to move towards the cloud. So because we are doing mission critical systems like core banking, what we are seeing is that this is kind of the last leg of the migrations that banks want to do. We are seeing a lot of demand in this area, and we are very well positioned as well to be able to provide services on the cloud because we have a large cloud competency, and we have been working on our partnership with Red Hat to be able to provide OpenShift containerization with AWS, with Microsoft on the Azure side, and all the other hyperscalers as well. So I think what we are seeing as a trend in banking is that whenever the core needs to be upgraded, the banks are trying to go on the cloud rather than on-prem, or at least on the cloud-native architecture, where even if they are going on-prem as a first step, and then going towards the hyperscaler clouds as the second step.
We are delighted to be recognized by Temenos for the Regional Country Partner of the Year Award. This recognition is immense for us. It shows and testifies that we have delivered the value to our customer, and that's what we have been hearing, customer centricity, that what Temenos and Systems as a core value, which is combined. And of course, customer centricity with the innovation, that's what we bring. And that's what Temenos values, that's what our commitment, and we are very courageous to take bold steps, as we have just shared, like modernizing the technology, whether it's a cloud, whether it's on-prem, whether it's a new products and new offerings that Temenos comes up. We are the first one to take that challenge and deliver it to the customers, right? That's what the partnership is all about. So since this is the only thing we do from a core banking perspective, Temenos is the only choice that we as a systems believe, and we jointly pitching all the solutions or upgrades to new customers, to existing customers and new customers jointly, I see a great future. And as a systems, we provide end-to-end solution to a customer. So Temenos core banking is a nucleus, is the heart of the bank, but of course, bank needs the infrastructure, bank needs support, bank needs data, AI, bank needs integrations, middleware, APIs. So there is a lot of surround and supplement around core banking. So as a systems, we provide end-to-end services. So expertise in Temenos and expertise in working with the large banks and all type of banks, Islamic, non-Islamic, commercial banks, and all type of domains. I think it gives us a unique advantage to provide the value to our customers. And as I said, bring the customer centricity and innovation along with us and provide very, very highly value realization model and ROI to our customers. That's what we truly believe in, the value and ROI, giving back to our customers. And we're really excited. And it's a long-term partnership. This 12-country model bank in GCC countries and APAC we have signed, it is for like 10 and 15 years. So it shows our commitment to Temenos.
Banking as a service is a new emerging model which is coming into banking because banks are realizing that they have to specialize either on the distribution side or in the manufacturing side or become an aggregator. And that is why you are seeing, the central banks giving out licenses for digital banks, for EMIs, because they want the special, and for microfinance and for corporate banking. So because they want to give out the specializations for these banks to work. Now, we as a service provider have been working with Temenos to figure out how we can play in the banking as a service model. What we are finding out is that Temenos is able to give us a managed platform license per country or for a certain segment. And this is what we are doing together, where we are looking at a certain segment of banks. As an example, it could be digital banks in a certain country, where we as systems are able to create a managed platform and provide services to those digital banks. Or it could be the case of a specialized financial institution which is only doing digital lending. So we are able to create that managed platform. So these are the kind of innovations which we systems and Temenos are doing together to be able to provide banking as a service to its customers. So I think what has been the highlight in the Temenos Community Forum this year has been customers coming in and asking how to modernize their stacks. And as I have talked before, that going to the cloud has been the topmost priority for most of the banks. This is what we are finding, that every bank which is coming and meeting with us, they are saying that how in the next 12 months they are able to go on a cloud native architecture. This is the topmost priority. The second thing we are also finding out is that banks are talking about how do they try to specialize in certain segments, and how can Temenos help to build deeper into that functionality, and how can systems be able to add on the value that they can. And this goes on from the innovations that we are doing with Temenos on the corporate loan origination side and some of the other products that we are making on the digital wallet side, etc.
This is always great to come and meet with Temenosian and also the clients and the partners. I think it's an ecosystem, right, where all the big partners, consulting firms, and of course Temenos team leadership get together. You hear about the future, you hear about the vision, how Temenos is progressing, and as we all know that every bank, every customer now talks about AI and Gen AI. Explainable AI, whatever you name it, but it has to be done with AI. So everybody's asking about us, okay, whether it's a Temenos existing customers or a new customer, how the AI can play a role in their organization, how they can automate their processes through intelligent process automation. So I think with the community, that's what Temenos community is so strong. where we meet with the customers, we meet with the prospects, we meet with partners, we meet with Temenos, and it's just create a huge ecosystem. And I'm always delighted to come and learn more about the future in the banking. And this is a great platform for anyone to learn what is happening in the banking, and with the breakout sessions that Temenos has arranged, all the relevant topic. And as I said, now everybody wants to learn AI and Gen AI, as what my colleague just said about cloud adoption, banking as a service, embedded finance. But these things all together combined, how you are leveraging your data, how you are taking care of your customers through your current data, and AI will help you in taking it to the next level. So we're really excited about the future, and I think we are all relevant in all these ecosystem, from core banking to AI journey. Whether it's a digital transformation or AI transformation journey, we will be the partner of choice for your customers, for our customers, for Temenos customers, and banking community in general.